Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Max IELTS Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of a channel, please subscribe a channel for future notifications. In our last video, we had seen a brief explanation about what is IELTS. In today's video, we shall discuss the pattern of the IELTS reading test. As mentioned in the previous video, we have two different patterns for academic and general IELTS reading test. So, we will be seeing both the patterns. The writing paper lasts for 1 hour. Within that time, the candidate has to complete two writing tasks. Writing task 2 has to be taken a bit serious as it contributes to two-thirds of the total band score, and the task 1 contributes to one-third of the total band score. That is, if you are scoring a band 7 in task 1 and band 8.5 in task 2, then your overall band score will be an average of 7 and 17. That is 7 plus 8.5 plus 8.5 divided by 3. And hence your overall band score would be 8. Let us first observe the pattern of the IELTS academic test. You will be having two tasks under the writing test. You will have to spend 20 minutes on task 1 and 40 minutes on task 2. Under task 1, you will have to describe visual information which is given and write a report. Diagrams, tables, maps, bar graphs, pie chart, and line graph are the different types of visual information which you might get. In task 2, you must write an essay in response to a point of view, argument, or a problem. You will be asked to provide a solution to the given problem or discuss about the given problem, compare and contrast different ideas or opinions, challenge an argument or idea. Next, we shall discuss about the pattern of IELTS general test. Similar to the academic test, the general test will also be conducted for an hour and comprises of two tasks. In task 1, you should respond to a given situation by writing a letter. It may be a formal, semi-formal, or an informal letter. You will have to request for information or explain a situation. You should spend 20 minutes on this section. Coming to task 2, it is the same as that of IELTS academic writing test. Utilize the remaining 40 minutes for task 2. Task 2, as we have seen earlier, it is writing an essay in response to a point of view, argument, or a problem. There are four major criteria under which you will be assessed in your IELTS writing test. The first criteria is task achievement or task response. Under task achievement, you will be assessed if you have written completely and if you have written it within the specified word limit. Under task response, you will be evaluated if you have addressed all the points given in the question. Have you provided a balanced argument and supported ideas with evidences and examples? And if all your ideas are relevant to the question. Coherence and cohesion is the second criteria which you will be assessed. Your script will be analyzed to see if your ideas are well organized and clearly linked. The third criteria is lexical resources, that is, your script will be checked for using a wide range of vocabulary accurately and effectively. The last criteria is grammatical range and accuracy. You should use a wide range of grammatical structures accurately and effectively. I believe that you've got a clarity in the pattern of IELTS general and academic writing test. In our next video, we will be exploring the pattern of IELTS general and academic reading test. Like and share our video if it was informative. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Click on the bell button to receive notification of our upcoming videos. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages.